Here comes the first truck race of the 2023
Look
Cup
at these
Series.
trucks.
Get trucking, baby.
Hold them, Spada. Hold them.
Cowboys.
Hold them.
Hold
Hold
them.
them. Hold them. Hold them, boys. Hold them. Green flag. Green flag. Starter. Wait.
Let's get trucking, boys.
Oh, fuck!
Good trucking,
What the
boys.
fuck is the start? What the fuck is that bullshit start?
Oh
Hey,
my
when's
god.
Chevy Truck Month?
I literally just.
He's already out of line.
Bro, what the
Oh my
fuck?
god.
The bullshit
Bro, how are
start?
those
What the
people already
fuck?
falling back so hard?
We're still
Real
pacing.
shit.
Okay,
We're
there we
still
go.
pacing.
Side by side tandem race.
Okay, I was about to say, since when the fuck? I
Yo,
was
this race is pretty good so far. It would be a tragedy if someone were to hit that big Toyota sign on the
Bro,
backstretch.
did you literally
We've
just
got a
say
total of
on
100 feet. This race is
Guys,
amazing.
the fucking top four. I thought those fucking top four guys had the fucking SHR grade in 2018.
Oh crap!
I just fucking love how halfway through the first lap somebody goes, "This is a pretty good race so far." Guys, Rick Sanchez is in second.
How? Sanchez is not.
Wait, is the caution out?
Down in third.
Yeah,
so
caution
mad.
out.
Oh my god.
Caution out.
Bro, how?
Alright.
Wow.
Yes.
Red.
What the fuck happened?
Why did he, like, ram or something?
How much you want to bet it was for Remo, bro?
Please ask question already.
Oh wait, they called it off. They called it off. They called it off. Just yell back out. Yell back out. Yell back out. They called it off.
They did not call it off. We're green.
No, they did. They did. They did.
Yes,
Look
you
at the NASCAR
did.
chat. Check the NASCAR chat. Check the NASCAR chat.
Oh, it sounds like
Okay, here we go.
We're going
Here we
green
go.
here.
Alright, here we go.
Fatality's about to happen.
Try this one more time. I have a feeling everybody's gonna be
Go, green, green, green.
Here we go. We're gonna all rack and turn.
What are the chances that Matt Crafton wins
Matt
today?
Benedetto's gonna push the
Ew,
19.
no.
I want that to happen. But I also just
I
want him
want
to
to see Matt
survive.
Crafton win. I've never seen him win a race.
Like I'm,
Ew.
like actually the Matt's gonna push the 19 to his death.
First truck race I ever watched was a Matt Crafton win.
Oh,
Nice.
That actually sucks.
All right, here we go. We're going into turn 3 where it's been raining.
I know Matt
Oh
Crafton.
God.
I
Alright,
know
here
Matt
we
Crafton
go.
didn't win a
Here we
race.
go.
And Matt DiBenedetto
You're about
is
to
gonna
die.
wreck the 19.
Cannibal.
Oh, look at
comes
Haley.
Alien.
Well, pushing him.
Alien
Haley
fifth.
Deegan's up there. Never would have thought.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Here comes
Yeah, it's
Deegan.
about to be amazing. The 19 truck goes in the catch fence.
Oh come on! I want Kraft to do that.
I got a bingo. I do
Why is it
have
so zoomed in?
Bingo! Bingo!
Because they don't know how to zoom out.
Yeah, these trucks are quicker than the Cup cars, so I'd imagine so.
Oh yeah, just in case if A1 missed it, fucking Nick Sanchez on speed beat Alex Bowman's pole time.
Bro.
Next gens are
40,
like,
a 49.4 by the 2 truck compared to Alex Bowman's 49.5.
I heard Alexander say, "Big." I was gonna cry. I thought I was about to look back up and see
Attaboy,
3
crap.
cars upside down.
Imagine Nick Sanchez won his first start and got into the fucking playoffs.
Corey!
Yeah, Corey's like, oh hell no. I know how this usually ends.
He's been a part of
Probably
it.
why Corey LaJoy's playing it smart. Corey LaJoy's playing it smart. He's gonna
Corey's
wait.
not stupid. He knows that somebody's gonna pass away.
He knows something we don't. He obviously knows something we don't know.
How is Josh Ureme in a car that's better than his own cars and still losing?
Bro.
He's more shit now. Oh yeah, he's more. Yo, Haley Deegan's in that line now. Oh, here we go. Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, they just left him at the
Oh shit, Kraft doesn't have his teammates now.
Whoa!
Oh
my gosh.
Someone's gonna die. Someone's gonna die. We're all gonna die.
Oh shit, wait, it's the last lap of stage 1, I think.
Yeah, that's gonna
Yeah,
wreck.
so
Someone's gonna die.
go into the catch
No,
fence.
it only says
Oh,
one.
no.
I'm back, boys. I'm back. I got my food.
Bro,
Yeah,
bro, look at the back of the field. Look at the back of the field.
Here.
Watch the back of the field.
Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's gonna die.
Look at Matt.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Everyone's
look at
backing
Matt.
off.
Okay.
And you'll come with the back
I
of the
know
field.
this.
You're gonna die in 5, 4,
Push his ass.
3,
This
2,
mic is
1.
lagging my
Here we go.
Whoa,
Three wide. Three
Is someone
wide.
ahead?
Oh, we're still
Gonna
three
wreck.
wide.
Gonna wreck.
Big one's going to happen. They're not
Here we
gonna
go.
make it. Big one.
Attaboy.
Here we go, big one.
Attaboy,
One
nice.
race where Haley
Imagine
Deegan's
Maui
going to be a
car really
factor.
did win a stage.
Is
Oh,
someone
no.
ahead? Someone.
How many people
Is
are-
someone ahead?
Three wide. Three wide.
What?
Three
Oh,
wide.
Grant and figure moment.
Oh,
Yeah,
I don't like this.
Oh shit, we're going 3 wide now.
I'm in,
These
baby.
boys don't know how to go 3 wide.
I made it in, baby.
Hey,
I don't think these guys know how to make a 3 wide just yet. Even
What's up?
Corey does.
it's too early. It's too early. It's still too early. It's still too early.
Hey, by the way,
You think I'm not sure if this race is actually going to be a shit show.
No, they
I
get.
don't like
Oh,
Dude, you probably just jinxed
After
yourself.
fans with the
whoa.
You
I
almost
wanna
jinxed
jinx
yourself.
How
Let's
is
comment,
a CR?
let's comment down here. We're
How
about
the
to
fuck is this
cost
CR7 truck running in the top 5? Oh, okay, Colby Howard. Holy shit.
Whoa.
Look at this.
Colby Howard nearly wrecked himself.
This is
Crashed
now.
it. Oh, Parker. Parker, don't do that.
We're gonna get great. Oh God, the radar. Oh no, the radar. The radar's coming.
No!
Talking about the radar.
It's raining. It's raining.
Fire!
Gotta get out.
Stay with her.
Put fire on the big lip. Put fire on the big
Oh, no, the petty truck. Not the petty truck.
Get out,
Dean
dude.
Thompson.
Well, someone got bingo.
Dude, I only need a flip, and I got a bingo.
Oh, Blake Greenfield.
Oh, that thing's killed. That thing's killed.
That thing's done. He's done for the rating. He's done
Oh
for the
shit! Wait, no,
rating.
that's Clay Greenfield. That's Clay Greenfield. No.
Is that Sanchez?
What? That's fucking
was Green.
It's Thompson.
That was
Hey, Deegan.
What happened to
Deegan.
Deegan's on fire. Deegan was on fire. Deegan was on fire.
No, Dean Thompson.
Okay, watch the 43. 43.
Oh, Daniel Dye? Is that what
Was it Deegan
43 is
or?
Daniel
Okay,
Dye.
well, hold on.
Oh no, he got squeezed. The 84 got squeezed.
Well, Daniel definitely died.
Swell. Was that a squeeze or was that?
Do we have a closer?
The 84 got like squeezed in the middle, and like he just got sideways from it, so he couldn't really do anything there.
I couldn't tell. But
I mean,
now
he
all
didn't
this
even really
clean.
get entirely squeezed. He just got like narrowed up. He didn't even get squeezed.
Well, here we'll
Okay,
see her
we
here. We'll
go,
see her
we
here.
go.
Oh, I hope
Yeah, like
that.
literally,
Oh, he
he
got
just
loose. No, he
he
got
just
loose.
narrows up
He
and
got
gets
loose.
loose. Yeah,
He got
just narrowed up
loose.
loose. Clay Greenfield ran out of talent again.
Mods,
And
Whoa.
God,
Oh my God, what the hell is that light?
the mods have permanently
That was a
banned me
Ross
from
Spain
typing in the
2020
reactions
Daytona
chat.
bottom. Jesus.
that
They
W.
won't let me type in the reactions chat anymore. They permanently banned me from it.
Oh, someone almost just died. Someone nearly just died. Was that Rhodes? Rhodes almost just died.
Pretty sure
They're
that was
gonna wreck.
Pastrana.
They're gonna wreck.
No, it was Majeski. It was Majeski.
Not tenable.
No, it was Rhodes. It was Rhodes.
No, Rhodes was right there.
They're
Rhodes is
stacking up
right
like
there.
no
He's
one's business.
fine.
They are getting.
No, it was Travis. Travis
They're
got
gonna
loose.
wreck.
You got a couple more
Oh,
turns.
I love
Stop it.
so
Stop
much.
it.
Colby Howard in the closet.
Oh my
Here
God!
comes that middle line. That middle. Here comes that middle.
Holy shit, that
Here comes that middle.
Oh
Here
no.
comes that middle.
It's gonna be bad.
That fucking middle was flying.
In this house, we stay in the middle lane.
Why are y'all squeezing each other like that? Oh my God!
We're not gonna make it. No idea about what's going on with Elliot.
This is a perfect angle for the blowover.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
There it is. Is that Chase?
No, that's
I think that's Chase in the
Oh,
grass.
Colby's around.
That's Ekis around.
Carson's out.
Yeah, Colby's fine. He just
Ekis is around.
Brad.
Oh, Brent
No.
Holmes.
Ah,
I think his car's okay.
I think Ben Rhodes might have.
Yeah, Rhodes behind the
Rhodes was being over aggressive.
Right.
Yeah, it was.
Rhodes gets a push. Rhodes gets a
No,
push.
it was Freeze.
Yeah, he cleared himself.
Well, some of you in the press conference are quiet.
Brett looks okay.
No, the other side. If it shows the other angle, the other side is destroyed.
All right side.
Looks like he just went through
Right
the grass.
front, right front. It's just the right
Yeah,
front.
from
Yeah, he cleared himself.
This
He
was
cleared
To be
himself.
fair, he did clear himself, but it was also at an awkward angle.
That was
where
a late block.
Typically, when you're
19 got super lucky.
Yeah,
When you-
it's at an angle your spotter can't really call. What is happening to Zane Smith? He is falling back.
Great camera fox.
Yeah, I think
nothing-
Zane Smith
nothing's
is out of
happening
nowhere.
line anymore.
Shit himself.
Nothing's happening to him. He knows exactly what he's doing.
Yeah, he's getting the hell out of there.
Recorded the Joy running his best
Dude,
race
that's-
ever.
Bro, Rajat Karu's been
Well-
tied to Chase Elliott's bumper for like 7 laps.
Bro, what y'all don't
Oh my
realize.
god! Holy run!
Good run!
Oh my god.
Yeet.
Ow.
Slingshot.
You guys
Flip
don't
on the
realize
boss.
is all these
Ain't
fucking
first your last. Shake and bake.
all these new goats that are coming into this sport came from my type of racing, dude. Sheldon Creed, Zane Smith.
Speaking of Dungeons and Dragons, I'm not watching that movie, whatever they're making out of it. It's gonna probably be fucking terrible.
I know that.
Oh,
Dude, I
here we go.
Bro, how are they still alive?
That was Caruth that made that move.
There we go.
Oh no!
That was really like he lost that on his own, bro.
That's good, baby.
No, not the 40.
No, we're not. Yeah,
Give you for Eric Jones.
Is Caruth okay?
Not
No,
Daniel.
that thing's
Oh, crap.
Oh, it's
That's
skewed.
right.
It's skewed. It's skewed like fuck yeah.
Oh,
Maddie's
Truck.
Not the
Fuck
Betty
Matt.
Beto.
It's
I hate you.
fixable.
Whoever said that.
Dude, fucking Caruth, man. He just made a cool move, and that has to happen. Damn it!
He's crab walking and is dented in on the
Oh,
inside.
that's not good.
Oh my god.
That's not
Thank God
good.
that was
He's dented. He's done for the night.
That thing
That
is
truck,
Dude, he's
that
literally
truck is the
having,
definition of triple net.
he's having to steer
Oh
back
my
and forth
God.
off his pit stall. That thing is.
That is a
Chase
crazy.
Elliott's got a rub, I believe, as well.
Dang it, why couldn't Chase Elliott get involved?
Eat a dick, Elliot.
Yeah, why can't we get Chase Elliott in that shit?
I hate drivers that have
If you want to watch good D&D stuff, watch Vox Machina.
Y'all Chase Elliott haters are so fucking.
Eh,
Y'all are interesting.
This entire Discord, anytime it's not Ross Chastain winning the race.
Yeah, it's
I just don't like Chase Elliott because of his personality, because he has zero personality, and he's.
Oh,
I
but
think
you- I bet
The
you
most
like
personality
Larson,
we've
don't
seen
you?
out of Chase was him versus
Yeah,
Hamilton
he likes
and him against the
Larson.
Road Wolf.
Look at this. Look at this. He comes down. He gets loose. Touches the 38. Touches the 11, and turns himself.
Yeah.
That's all that was.
No, yeah, the
I thought
30
he saved it.
The 38
Well, he-
kind of came down, but
Well, no,
it
he
was
was-
hard to tell at that
He
angle.
was getting loose when the 38 came down, and they
It
bumped the
just
38.
it
bumped
was
the
just an
11,
unfortunate series of events.
I really thought Caruth was about to save that.
Look at this.
It looked like he saved it right there, and then it
Yeah,
just
he got saved.
He just got
First half of the
He just got loose.
Dude, look at him riding the fucking.
I do not want to get caught up in this dude.
That was a good that was a good rail slide right there.
There is nobody in the outside line. Holy shit. Look at that inside line. It's a fucking single file restart on the
I haven't seen
bottom.
Nation Squad since like 2020.
Yeah,
Bro,
because no one wants to pass away.
Get them no one
They
wants to
say
early
fuck
2005s.
Or was what to
Oh,
do.
thank God! Get that. I prefer the.
Why you
Colby.
Suddenly moves back
And
further
Tanner
further in the
Green
pack.
pushing into the sunshine.
Why are they wobbling so much, bro?
Breeson said, "F this, I don't support the LGBTQ anymore."
Oh,
my
shit,
God.
okay. Oh my God, fuck.
Hey, is that a culture?
Man, who the hell is this?
Well, the thing is,
It's
actually, I'm checking.
It's Caruth.
I just checked the TV. They did the transition properly, and the live feed's worse
Yeah, I
than
know
the
what
actual
happened.
feed.
Actual
I don't
feed.
really know what happened at
I don't
that
know
point,
what that was
so
for.
this took off on me, but
Oh, Kraus or Ekis? That's not Kraus. That's Ekis.
I keep
What
forgetting.
the hell is that?
That's not Kraus. That's Ekis.
Yeah, split screen on the racing.
Oh my god, that's a freaking giant.
Whoa! What the fuck was that?
No, the whole last track.
That's a caution. Caution's out. Dude, there's a fucking tear off walking on the track.
Yeah, that was in a trash bag.
What the
out.
It was walking across the backstretch.
Red flag is out. It's a car running back.
Bro, the raw feed for the stream is bad.
Oh no! It's the Remy Extra.
So the race is going back.
Oh yeah, I've had my own concussion before. I would recommend it. It's fun.
Imagine not having like 15 concussions.
Me talking to the multi.
We were just watching a Cosmic truck doing race, and now
I'm not lying when I say that.
it just says maybe.
Zane
Dude,
Smith
that
has
was a
a
race.
race.
I'd be fine with Zane Smith winning, but like,
I thought the main
That's a
stop.
repeat winner. That's one of the things on my bingo card.
I thought the main was stop.
Penis dead in the eyes right now.
what's up, Kitty? Come back to California.
What we gotta do
Yeah,
now?
Right now.
He won.
I'll tell you what, the reaction for RGK is going to be
I
funny.
highly doubt this is it.
He's literally just staring into our soul.
Dude, he's crying. He
They're saying it's coming down big now.
Pissing rain.
Pissing rain.
Some stage guy is pissing rain.
It's the rain rat.
Baby,
The fact
Hey,
that
by the way,
It is raining.
hey, by the way, someone said that there's like a thing.
That was
Spring race in 2015 where they waited like 10 minutes for just a 2-lap shootout.
I'm about to make a new chant for the Discord server being like, bring back the nuts! Bring back the nuts!
Ringtone's going on.
Bring back the nuts.
Why would you say like that? It's kinda weird.
Bring back the nuts, bro!
Bring back the nuts.
We need more fights, and we need more fights in NASCAR, and we need more of them just being started by Kevin Harvick pushing one person into the other person.
Yes, yes.
Yo, Ekis just said Mickey Mouse.
Oh,
Just
speaking of
Kevin
fights, who's
Harvick,
Bubba?
like just Kevin Harvick retired, but just like as there's a confrontation between two drivers, he just pushes one of them into the other.
Yep, Zane Smith wins. I swear, Zane Smith wins again. Well, yep. XX. He wins again.
Here at Daytona, back to back for Zane
Wait,
Smith.
did he win in last season?
And he just got the word from his crew. We were watching when it happened.
Yes. What?
There it is.
I don't
Let's go to
know.
Regan.